amazing.
I had a vision of just unity.
I am strong.
We can do a lot more together than we can separate.
I am enough.
I want this to be about us, not about me.
I wanna be like you.
Everyone has a voice, so I want everybody's voice to be heard. That's how unity starts. The more people, the bigger it can be. Whoever watched Malcolm X, that part where they're like, one man can't have that much power, but not him. The power was those people turning around and walking as one. That's power.
We will be able to emerge from the bleak and desolate midnight of man's inhumanity to man.
If you go back into slavery and into the Martin Luther King days, we had more unity then, and they was going through a lot more than us. I want our youth to grow up in unity, but they gotta see us do it first. I had a vision of having a parade, black businesses from all over giving their business ideas and maybe even getting an investor that day. And it starts now. And then we can be next to get our success, and we can be next to get greatness, and we can be next to get united. I'm excited, let's go. Let's make this the start of something big.